Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix asks not posting on Stockx. So for today's video, it's going to be all about this Reddit post that explains it all and it shows us how we can fix this issue. So help cannot see my listed asks. So I have had serious problem for the last few days. In fact, I've listed several times items, but I can't see any of my lowest asks. My asks are the lowest, but I can't see them. I even checked all this information with a different phone on the specific items and sizes I'm certain, but my lowest asks are not visible. If anyone had this problem before, please let me know. It is based on Europe. So there is this guy that answered him. So as you can see here, and this is the answer. So that's what Stockx told me just now, for anyone wondering. Thanks for reaching out to Stockx. I'm happy to assist you. We know about this issue and sorry for the situation that your lowest ask is not visible. We deployed our matching update because we believe it significantly improves the buyer experience and service level for EU customers. Unfortunately, our aspects of the experience have not been updated to observe the new pricing and matching method described above. Specifically, view all bids and view all asks are not optimized for European buyers and sellers. As a result, the lists do not match up to the lowest ask and highest bid, displayed on the buy and sell buttons. When you are notified that you have the highest bid and you see something reflected differently, this is due to the other buyer being a US-based buyer. I do apologize for any confusion here. We are working very hard to ensure this is fixed as soon as possible. So as you can see, this is the reason why this happens, and basically it is a problem due to the region. So what's left to do is to wait for the actual service to fix that issue for us. And yeah, that was it. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next upcoming video.